B, C, D, E, F, G. How's your romance? The one you met at the campus day.
Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to EduNation Eco Funnomics. I am Shreya Roy and today I'm presenting to you a DIY video. Well, you should do DIY for 3 reasons. Firstly, if you're broke, so I made this cupboard out of just 500 bucks. Second, if you are a workaholic just like me and you need breaks to calm your brain, so painting and art is really soothing and it really calms you down, and the next week you're more productive. Third, if you just simply love DIY and you want to make some unique pieces which is not easily available in the market and you can make it really cheap, so DIY is your thing. Now, apart from that, you can obviously DIY. Everybody loves DIY. I mean, who doesn't? So in this video, I'm going to show you, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to show you because I have curated a lot of things over the past 2 weeks because you know, पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ, कोई भी assignment, कोई भी report, कुछ भी करते करते I'm like, okay, that's it, now I'm tired, I want a break. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं बैठ जाती हूँ, कुछ एक काम start करती हूँ, I record it at times, I don't record it at times, and then I have a load of things in my gallery, तो उसी में से मैं कुछ उठा के आप लोगों को दिखा दूंगी, and उसके पीछे पीछे I'll try to give some voice narrations maybe. I don't know how that's going to work out. Let's see, we'll figure it out in the process of video making. But yes, 3 से 4 चीज मैं दिखा दूंगी, okay? Like anyways, जो भी दिखाना है मैं दिखा दूंगी, जो रह जाएगा मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दिखा दूंगी. And you better subscribe and like this video if you haven't because I'm putting in a lot of my efforts and मैं अपने hidden and precious me time को रिकॉर्ड करके आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ, which is, you know, not everybody is that, you know, an open book to the world. At least I am not. I do not believe in opening up in front of everybody and saying, hey, look, this is what I do in my, you know, free time, in my me time. Well, let's get into the video. So I'm making a wall phone stand so that I can keep it near to me at night when I'm sleeping. I'm using a normal agarbatti ka dabba and I'm measuring it to the height of my phone and equally measuring it all around, and then I'll cut it with an equal edge. This is a wallpaper, self-adhesive wallpaper, which is easily available on Flipkart for 200 bucks. And I'm measuring my phone stand and cutting it out so that all the pieces can be assembled once it has been cut out. Since it is self-adhesive like a sticker, I'm peeling off the back of the wallpaper and I'm gently placing it all around the agarbatti ka dabba, the incense stick dabba, and giving it a very smooth and a very chic edge, a chic look. It has a very Sanmaika wood-like finish and hence I always prefer these sort of wallpapers. So this is my final look, and as you can see, I have made a phone stand. Another one I have made an earphone hanger or stand, however you put it. I have used double-sided 3M tape which can support about half kg to 1 kg easily, and look how chic and elegant it looks on my pink wall. To show you some nicks and knacks, and I'm going to show you how to make some interesting pieces out of the little you have. Let's get into the video. मुझे ना बहुत अजीब सा शौक है. Whenever I travel somewhere, I collect stones. So I want to make a DIY out of these stones. वैसे देखने में तो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं ये, मतलब some water square, some water circle, an exact white stone, an exact black stone. But फिर मेरे को लगा कि कुछ करते हैं, देख देख के बोर हो गए हैं, let's upgrade them. So let me tell you, these purple ones, these are from the Rishikesh Bank. This one is from Missouri, and this black one is from Andaman. Well, I'm not sure if you can make it out, but yes, those are a little purplish, grayish sort of a tone. So let's see what we can make out of this. I have selected two stones and have roughly sketched out what I want on them. So this is what I'm using, a gold acrylic paint, and I bought that from Amazon, I believe. I'll link everything down in the description. Do check it out. I am using a zero sized round tip brush to create the details. I am making some moons, some stars. This was the start, so I wanted to keep it really simple and easy, and a black and gold combination would look really awesome. And my unique handmade paperweights are ready. The next DIY is basically upgrading a pen stand which I bought back in my kindergartens or maybe first, second grade from a fair called Disneyland here in Jamshedpur, and I have really emotional attachment to this pen stand. So I could have thrown it, discarded it, but rather I decided to upgrade it. So with the same golden acrylic paint, I gave it a little touch and brought it back to life. So I'm using a macrame DIY thread, normal भाषा में धागा, and उससे मैंने क्या किया है, एक ऐसा लूप बनाया है. लूप के थ्रू I am pulling out another loop, and उस लूप के अंदर से I am pulling out another loop, and I'm doing this until I have enough chain created, enough length of chain created that I can stick it around the entire circumference of my pen stand. तो मेरे पास कुछ फोम के रोजेस थे. What I did was I used a toothpick or a toothpick, whatever you call it, and I inserted through the foam roses and I created the stems for the roses. तो अब क्या होगा, मेरे पास बंच ऑफ रोजेस रहेगा जिसको मैं पेन स्टैंड के ऊपर डेकोरेट करूँगी, एंड हेंस मेरा बहुत ही कंप्लीट फ्लावर्स एक कॉर्नर के लिए तैयार हो जाएगा. लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्ड अप. If you're still here, it means that if you have watched my entire video, thank you for joining us. Love you loads and see you next week. Toodles!